In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view starred messages on WhatsApp Web. Whether it's saving important information or keeping a sweet message handy, starring is a simple yet powerful tool in WhatsApp that helps you quickly access specific content. It's like creating a highlight reel of your most valued messages. Now, navigating WhatsApp Web might feel different than using it on your phone, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can effortlessly locate and review all your starred messages. To begin, let's make sure you're logged into WhatsApp Web. If you aren't, open your preferred web browser and visit web.whatsapp.com. Here, you'll see a QR code displayed on the screen. Using your smartphone, open WhatsApp, navigate to the settings or menu section, depending on whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, and select WhatsApp Web or Desktop. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp chat should appear on your computer. Now that you're logged in, let's find those starred messages. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice your chats list, displaying all your recent conversations. Above this list, there's a three-dot menu icon, which you might easily overlook if you're not familiar with its function. It's located on the top left of your chat list, right beside your profile picture. Click on the three-dot menu. This menu reveals several options that offer more control over your WhatsApp experience on the web. Among these options, you will find a selection labeled Starred Messages. Go ahead and click on this option. As soon as you do, a new window appears, presenting a collection of all the messages you've ever starred. Starred messages are essentially your personal archive of essential communications, allowing you to track everything from key addresses and meeting points to thoughtful notes that you wish to cherish. Unlike sifting through numerous chats, this feature lets you bypass the clutter, ensuring you have immediate access to what's important. It's also worth mentioning that if you find a starred message you no longer need, you can easily unstar it. Simply hover over the starred message in the list and click on the star icon again. The message will remain in its original position within the conversation but will no longer appear in your starred messages list. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you can effectively manage your starred messages on WhatsApp Web. Keeping essential information at your fingertips has never been easier. As we conclude, remember that organizing your digital communication can be a game changer, streamlining your interactions and helping you stay on top of your priorities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you master your messages with confidence and ease.